All of your video data is stored in a file that's located on your web server, which is what we refer to display all the video content on your website. Now, as you make changes at Vimeo and you want to update the display on your website, you need to purge that file and allow the system to rebuild a new one. So the steps to do that are very simple. We're going to go to the Files tab. We're going to open our File System. We're going to open our Assets folder and open our Vimeo folder. It's very important that you go to Assets Vimeo as opposed to the Vimeo directory here you see at the root level. This contains all of your API reference, your SDK, and you do not want to mess with this. So make sure you go to Assets, Vimeo, and then you're going to see there is a file here called, and let me refresh it because we've just reloaded it here a second ago. You'll see there's a file here called vdata.json. Okay, and this is our local storage file. And to delete that, all you need to do is right-click on it and click Delete File. Click Yes to confirm, and then go back to the front end of your site and click Reload. Now, what's happening here is your system is querying the Vimeo API again, compiling all of your most recent data from the API and building a new JSON file. So that can spin for 5, 10, sometimes 15, 20 seconds. In fact, if you do spin so long that you get a gateway timeout, don't worry about it, let it run, reload a few seconds later, it will eventually refresh. And once it does, we come back here to our dashboard, and if we refresh this view, you'll see there is now a new vdata.json file here, and this will contain all of your most recent changes to Vimeo. I also wanted to show you real quick here that we've added a little bit of JavaScript so that any video display that includes a description with a URL will now become an active hyperlink. So all of these will now actually function as links to whatever URL they happen to point to. So that's your video data refresh. If you have any questions, let me know.